man ang daan.
Hey, I'm a little bored today. Let's go hiking. Yes.
Tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiyos ang bako.
Now that we're back, let's find a tour guide that can help us. Okay. Hi, are you the tour guide that we booked?
Yes, I am. So, are you Miss Adornado and Miss Gabinete?
Yes.
So, I have the perfect place to hike. So this is the famous Chocolate Hills. So, as you can see, there's a lot of trees in here. And this is so very famous in tourist guide. So,
Wow, it's so nice. Wow, I'm so excited. Wow, the view is so pretty. Look at the view. It's so breathtaking. This is a Riverdale episode.
Kahit mabitin aking salita, matay pinupod niya na sa'yo lang magpapangkin. Di pala lambasin o kasanan ko mawala.
Wow, we had a lot of fun today. Yeah, we should do this more often. Sure.